Hello YouTube, Pokemaster Steve, and today I just have a little mail call. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing on the back end when I'm not ripping packs. So just kind of going through, trying to complete a couple sets here, and let's see what all we got. I think this is TCG player, so right now, as you guys know, I'm trying to complete the Galarian Gallery from Crown Zenith. So if you haven't seen already, I do have a video coming in soon of me opening 2 ETBs, but let's see what we got here. Single card, a Raihan. This is Galarian Gallery number 65. Alright. Such a great set. I really hope they bring in more, something else. I mean, that Galarian Gallery Crown Zenith, I don't know what something about it. People say it's been printed to oblivion, the whole nine, not worth that much. Well, you know what? I'm taking advantage of that, and I'm completing the. I'm trying my best to complete the set. Well, not the master set, but at least the Galarian Gallery. I might do the trainer gallery as well, but we'll see. Alright, this is nice. How do I get this card out, though? ShippingShield.com. Oh, Blastoise. I was looking for this card. I guess it was in here the whole time. 151 full art Blastoise. I'm also trying to complete a master set for 151 in English and in Japanese. So slowly but surely getting through the cards. Funny thing, I actually stopped by another shop earlier today, my local LCS, and surprisingly they had Japanese 151, so I did pick up the Mew EX for 30 bucks and the alternate art Pikachu for 13. So great prices. I love the store. They always have new inventory come through all the time, so super excited to be able to support. All right, and I may have mentioned it before, but like I have enough of all the singles right now that I'm not really opening to complete the sets. I do have a 151 challenge going on right now where I'm trying to pull the Charizard, but outside of that, to actually complete anything. Okay, so this is, you know, outside of pulling the 151, you know, I'm just doing singles. This is a huge pack. So this is a TCG player direct. So they sent, I ordered a bunch of cards, and then they just went, and it looks like they sent everything. So I did get the V-Star Palkia and the V-Star Dialga. So I think this is probably it. I think I actually bought all of the missing crown. They put this all in one penny sleeve. Not the biggest fan there, because the cards you can see here are kind of like bent, but this is a binder collection. Let me see if I can find an easy way to remove this. Bear with me 1 second here. I don't want to hurt the cards. I can't even like push it out. These guys just went ham. I feel like I need scissors. Okay, let's just stretch it out a little bit. Alright, I might need to fast forward this because this is... Alright, not a fan, TCG player. That was not very fun. I'm not very happy with how they just stuffed the billion cards in here, but regardless, let's go ahead and go through what I got here, shall we? Got the Adaman, Sharon's Care, Horus' Experiment, the Deoxys VMAX, the Deoxys V-Star. This is a pretty card right here. Drapion V, Gardenia's Vigor, Grant, the Hattering VMAX, the Samurai V, Irida, Melanie, the Regigigas V-Star, Zimazenta, I like this card too a lot, the Luminian V, and that's it. Alright, so besides them sticking, I've never stuck this many cards in one penny sleeve before. I really wish they did in two. They could have spared one more penny sleeve. I mean, cost less than a penny, right? But the least they gave the big hitters in proper casing. So yeah, super happy with how these go. And let's see, I'll go ahead and pause the video here, or actually I'll just speed it up for y'all while I'm sleeving these and putting them into the binder. Alright, so we'll bring it back to normal speed right now. Yeah, let's go ahead and look through the Galarian Gallery, shall we? I think the biggest thing here, like these cards, they just look so nice. I don't know what it is, but the these cards just look so nice. What number is this right here? We are missing number 39. Like, I could talk about the Galarian Gallery. Unfortunately, I was not collecting when it first came out, so I've been playing a lot of catch-up on it. Oh no. Am I missing cards still? Oh well, I guess we'll find out soon enough. I'll look through them more in depth later. Alright, let me actually speed you guys up while I sort through these cards. Alright, let's try this again. 39 I'm looking for, so I did have it. Next is 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. That's 53. This is 54. 55, 56, 57. Yeah, as you can see, I did not get really any of the trainers, which I guess is not bad. I'm getting all the the Pokemon from the Galarian Gallery. But you know what? Now we have pretty much the full set. Yay! 64. 65. 65. So this. What is number 66? Am I missing 66? I think I am missing 66. I don't know what card that is, but I will find you. Darn, it is so close to being done. I'm missing number Galarian Gallery 66. Ah, so sad. Alright, well, that's that. I guess I will see if I did order. I may not have ordered it, or maybe it didn't come in, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and sort these three beauties. We are slowly but surely getting to the end of the 151 collection here. I do think I am going to reorganize it where it's all English on one side and Japanese on the other. These Pokeball rares have to be together. They just look so nice not to be, so. Yay! Blastoise. I don't know what number Pikachu is. 173. Okay, it's gonna be different. I gone messed up. I need to figure out where the Pikachu is on here because it is incorrect with what I've got here, because we are most definitely missing a spot for Pikachu. So I will have to go and fix that later. Actually, it could just be back here. Alright, well, this is flipping here. I know it's incorrect, guys. Don't judge me. I will come back for this. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, the collection is getting closer to being done. So close. I pulled this the other day, so I should be able to fill this in. And just a few more of these Japanese SIRs and such, and we will be done with 151. And so again, if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Definitely leave comments. I love chatting with you guys. It definitely helps the channel out, and I really want to be more engaging with the community. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will have a video with my actual full collection. Just be on the lookout for that in the upcoming days. But until then, see you later.